Hi, I'm just decorating for Christmas. Ooh. So that's Santa. He's pretty awesome. I feel like that's he's better looking than most of the guys I date. Yeah, I dated enough guys to say that. They look like this. Act like that too. Hi, Nana baby, you ready for Christmas, baby girl? Oh my god. Miss me? I guess some things have changed, but definitely not my ability to make a wig look real. All right. Oh, it's raining. Oh god. That might be hail, not snow. Same basement. Same uncontrollable mess. Same balls. Better art, bigger ass. Get it off your chest, no stress. We like. So from my family to yours, don't be a custer. Pussy.